too. So that way, because I was leaving at the same time as the gentleman.
Okay. Yeah, no, you don't match the description. I'll chat with this guy right here. Hey, sir. How's it going?
I don't need to talk to you. I ain't got nothing to say to you.
Okay, well, they asked you to...
So what? I ain't got nothing to say to you. You don't know who you're talking to. They didn't ask me to leave.
Did they called us here.
She said a red shirt, sir.
They said red shoes.
She said red shirt.
Red shoes.
Pay attention.
She said red shoes.
No, let's go fucking ask her since you want to jump my case. She said
okay.
fucking...
That's what I got, all right?
Well, don't jump my ass. I'm walking out. Don't
okay, I got dispatched here.
Okay.
And they said he was wearing red shoes.
You need to deal with her, not me. I'm not the issue.
Okay, what's your name?
I don't need to tell you.
Okay, you're stop right there.
Really?
Yes.
For what? Am I being detained?
Because I'm trying to... I got dispatched here for removal of subject, and you matched the description. Dark coat, red shoes. That's why.
What now?
I got dispatched here for removal of subject.
What's your name and badge number?
My name is Officer Ayers, badge number 15.
Okay, and what are you approaching me for?
I'm investigating you for criminal trespass.
Me?
Yes.
Okay, and let's go talk to the lady that says you're approaching me. Because I walked out of this building here, and you automatically talked to me.
Yes, because you matched the description that was given to me above my dispatcher.
Go talk to this lady. Let's go.
Okay.
Go talk to her.
Let me wait for another officer to get here.
Call her back. No, I'm saying you're wasting my time, and it's the wrong person. I'm the wrong person. That's why I'm upset. You automatically approach me.
Because you matched the description that I was given.
We'll see.
Okay.
You need to talk to these people.
Okay.
Because I don't need to sit here and wait for this bullshit. It's bullshit.
I'm out at the main entrance.
It really is. It's bullshit.
Okay. Well, so either way, my dispatch gave me a description that you match.
Who did?
My dispatch.
I was right there, sir, when she was on the phone with you guys.
Okay.
I was
then
right there.
Who is the other individual I should be looking for?
Not me.
And who is it?
How the hell do I know? Go ask her.
Okay. Well, you're telling me you know it's not you.
She's the lady that called you guys. Why are you approaching me instead of talking to her?
Okay, I'm telling you, you matched the description.
Well, let's go over here to your next officer so I can get his badge number.
This is my sergeant.
I ain't nothing to worry about me about. Sergeant who?
Sergeant Crinky.
Your name and badge number, please.
Sergeant Crinky, same floor.
Crinky?
We have one inside. Don't stand right there.
Your name and badge number, sir?
You still have one inside?
No, he approached me and there ain't... He
so
had no reason.
He walked out right as they said he was inside?
Crinky? What's his badge number?
His badge number is Sam 4.
7?
S4.
7?
S4.
S4. Can you go get this lady so she can clear me to go?
He's inside talking to him right now.
Shit, you guys act like I'm just doing something out here. No, wrong. You guys got complaint forms in your vehicle?
I have to talk to my sergeant.
Do you have a complaint form?
I do not have a complaint form in my vehicle.
Can I get your business card, please?
Yes.
See, you always do this. Three different vehicles, squad vehicles for no reason. Look at that. See how you guys blow our money though on your new vehicles. Come on, sir. How long is police training? 6 months? You know, it takes 16 months to become a hair barber.
Yeah.
Or do you know case law or constitutional law?
Yeah, well, the Marine Corps.
Do you believe in God?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Just so you know, I don't believe you.
Believe me what?
I don't believe you believe in God. So I believe it's perjury when you put your hand on the Bible and your other hand up to God to testify against somebody. I think it's a lie.
Okay. Whatever you feel like, I don't care.
Anyway, nothing against you personally. Just your guys' badge is always on some bullshit. If you really knew something about the Constitution, take that badge off and that jacket. Sir, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Can I get your name and badge number since you're on scene?
Yeah, Purple Phillips, badge number Charlie 1, C1.
Purple Phillips, C1 Charlie 1. Thank you. Is this lady gonna try to identify me or not?
That's what he's in there talking to her.
So you have a sergeant and a corporal?
Yes.
Do you have stripes?
No.
No. How you doing, sir?
Good, man. What's going on?
Oh, I got approached by this officer, understandably, but he's approaching the wrong person, so now I'm upset. I'm not upset, but I'm just a little frustrated. Like you now, you don't let whoever it was already left, and
Who's David?
I'm not here to talk about who it was. Sir, name and badge number.
Alex Murray, 1212.
Alex.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Haven't seen you for a while.
Sir, name and badge number, please.
Stanley, badge number is 9.
Stanley, badge number
Yep.
9. Can somebody go in here and make sure that she didn't call the cops on me? Because otherwise you guys are wasting my time and your time. And there's 5 of you here. Wait,
slow
1,
night.
2, 3, 4 of you here.
Were you up at the Derbies? I think I saw you at the Derbies earlier, right?
Right here?
Yep.
Yeah.
You win anything?
No. I lost.
I have the same luck betting.
That's alright. I normally do. But I'm not normally the one that goes in and bets 20 cents. That's boring. I'd rather
You got to do the max bet.
I'd rather lose and leave.
Yep. The only good ones I've ever hit was doing max bets.
Yeah. I went into the one day and I won 16 grand.
No
And
shit.
it's just like one of those deals. Hey, I'm gonna put in $5 and leave. If not, you know.
Dude, these ones around here hit all the time. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah.
I just I don't get it.
I did win, and it was just like, you know, I get bored.
Yeah.
And then so finally I'm just like, whatever, bam, that's what I got left.
But that's what it works.
Yeah, and it hit. Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like big casinos, they don't hit, but then for some reason, these small ones around here, they just, I don't know, I hear about people
Yeah.
hitting big jackpots all the time. It's
Oh
crazy.
yeah. Well, and so from my understanding and experience, it's a lot of the people that have the money to bet.
Yep.
You know, so I know a couple people, they'll win 30, 70, 130, 200
Yeah, it's nuts.
often.
Yeah.
You know, and it's just like, daggone, you lucky dog. But if you don't got it, you can't bet it.
I
And
know.
if you can't bet it, then,
Yeah.
hey, you're stuck winning a $14 bonus.
Oh, that's gambling for you. You'll put $200 in the machine and you either come out with 10 grand or you're just down 200 and
Yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
hate your life for a while.
Yeah, casting yourself out when you leave.
Yep.
Yeah, they totally got the wrong guy. Well, you did. I don't know if you did, but
I'm just showing up. I don't even know.
she said red shoes.
Yes.
Yeah, they did
I
describe
do.
red shoes.
I do have red shoes on, I guess.
Red shoes aren't super common.
Was there another fella in there wearing red shoes?
She was chewing someone else out, but I was sitting down at the machine.
If that's
Yeah.
and you know if that's the case,
I
where it's
don't
just like
shit,
bad
man.
coincidence.
I don't like, yeah, and that's bullshit. I don't like that. Fuck.
Well, either way, you kind of understand where I'm coming from with that, right?
I do. If I fit your description, you have all the right to stop me.
Yeah.
I understand.
That's it.
I understand.
And if you're not the actual guy, then you're
Yeah.
nothing's happening.
Yeah.
So we're off to a bad start, but I mean,
Oh,
I
it ain't a
understand.
bad
I
start,
understand.
sir. It ain't a bad start. It ain't a bad start. A bad start's if you start disobeying the law yourself. Because I got you on my camera too.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
don't like
You know
doing
what I'm
that.
saying?
yeah, that's not good.
So you believe in God?
I'm not going to answer that.
See, there's a thing about the Constitution of the United States of America, and there's a thing that when it goes into the credibility of a witness,
Yep.
and their beliefs and putting the hand on the Bible and the right hand up to God. You see
More
what
of,
I'm
a,
saying?
more of a symbolic
So
thing. It's more of a symbolic gesture.
I'm a
in my opinion.
I'm a constitutional guy.
Yep.
I know a lot about I have a YouTube page. I learn from people,
Yep.
and not only do I learn, I have in order to learn, I have to cross research. You know what I mean?
You ever read,
I don't trust
you read
Google.
Black's Law Dictionary?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's legal definitions of even what the driver is. of what the driver is, and there's a lot of see, we the people, including yourself, like we the people, we all suffer, we all pay for, we'll say like the new cars you guys got, or the, you know, the all kinds of stuff,
Yeah,
all kinds of stuff, right?
Our thing though is the way it works. We trade in our old beat up ones, and we're on a contract with them, so these are just the new ones they gave us.
Yeah. No, I ain't.
We just figured we'd change the color of them.
You're saying, but so we pay for these things, right? We pay for these things, but you guys have to essentially have to come and make us pay for these things. So by writing your tickets and stopping the bad people. So but when if you're doing something that's unconstitutional.
Yep.
Unconstitutional. See, there's a lot of people that don't even know what the Constitution is. None of it.
Yeah, we can't do unconstitutional things.
There's a lot of people that does not even have any idea. You guys are here to protect and serve, and I guarantee. And like I told this guy, so you went to training for 6 months.
Yeah, for quite a while.
Okay.
I went through the jail basic too.
Do you
so
know
I
how
went
long
through
it
2
takes to
trainings.
become a hair barber?
Longer than police.
16 months.
Yep. Oh yeah, I know.
16 months to become a hair barber.
Yep.
So we got guys out here that are doing this stuff with the law.
Yep.
Right? Taking money. Just taking money.
I don't take money.
No, we'll say writing tickets.
Okay. I don't really write tickets either.
You know, for the state to have money, you know, which is a good thing. Yes,
Okay.
it is a good thing.
Yep.
Stop the bad people.
Mm-hmm.
There's just some shit that
Yep.
happens that you guys are great, you know. But there's some stuff. It's just like, well, what is the state really doing? What are they really using our money for? You know.
Yeah,
I'm gonna slide on out. I guess Chase is gonna call the manager or something or other.
Okay.
So 39, there's the manager, he'll be answering. That's district manager.
Are we with the right guy? Huh? The right guy.
It's more like a breach of peace issue.
Where's which Hamlin do we have?
Okay.
That one's Jesse. Jared.
Yeah, Jesse.
It's okay.
Where's he right now?
He's right out front with Murray and Jack.
I just told them they can take it too.
I know you are, honey.
Well, they're both being
Okay.
detained. Well, until we figure out where David is, but he's being detained right now.
It sounds like it's a breach of peace at the very least.
Well, we need to talk to
This
her.
is
So
Sheridan Police
stay with
Department.
Jesse.
Talk to you about this
Tell the other
incident
two
here.
to leave. There's only going to be 5 of us here. So
Do that.
I'm not sure how you know what your thoughts are on it. It sounds like it was-
A lot of people that's out there doing the wrong thing don't even believe in God, but they're wearing that badge. They're wearing that jacket. We're paying for gangbangers with badges and batons and pepper spray and this and that to come extort our money because we don't know the Constitution.
Yeah, there's bad people in every profession though, right? But
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
You can head out.
I'm a drywall guy. I've worked after a lot of
I'm gonna
bad
be doing some
framers.
drywall on my days off, man.
Drywall,
I gotta
roofing.
build a partition wall in my garage.
Yeah,
So
I'm trying to quit that and start Lynchburg burning.
yep. All right, man.
good?
Well, I'm gonna head out. It was good.
Are we?
talking to
Am
you,
I
all
good, sir?
No, Jesse, you
Shit, I
got to
can feel
stay
my
here.
hair
We're on the phone with the manager right now. We're just getting everything
just
sorted
saying,
out.
Me
so-
out.
I'm
Shit,
gonna
I don't
bounce
care about this place. You guys got the wrong guy, but anyway.
All right, take care, man. It's good to meet
You too. Thank you.
Yeah, we're just calling the manager, trying to sort everything out right now.
Can the lady clear me?
So, right now I was
The
told
manager. She's the witness, not the manager.
no. She said no, right now.
What do you mean? She can't clear me?
No, not right now.
Well, you know you have so long until I can leave. Legally.
How long would you think that would be?
15 minutes. You can't detain me any longer than 15 minutes.
So what's the the length of a normal traffic stop then?
And you're now 13 minutes and 5 seconds into it.
There's no time limit for a reasonable detention. It just has to
You
be a
can't just
reasonable amount of
detain
time.
me for anything, sir.
People have been detained for.
Am I being charged with something?
So right now you're being investigated for breach of peace. You're not being charged with anything.
I'm being detained.
Yes.
I'm being detained.
Yes, for breach of peace.
For investigation of breach of peace.
Yes.
Okay.
So with that, Jesse, since you are at this point not free to leave, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand what I read to you?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about that?
The Miranda rights, I do not.
Okay.
Do you know them? Verbatim?
I read them off his card. That way I make sure I don't screw it up.
Yeah.
It's easier. That way everyone knows exactly.
You'll get it.
Well,
You'll say it enough, you'll get it.
yeah, that's fair. I mean, I probably could do
Just
it
like the
verbatim, but
Serenity prayer other people say.
I mean, what did happen in there? You said she was talking to somebody else?
No, well, she did say something to me at one point about touching the screens, and
Okay.
they're touch screens.
Yeah.
There's no casino that's going to hassle me about fucking blowing my money. I'm not abusing your screens.
Mhm.
You'll barely find my damn fingerprints on the screens. You know,
15,
that's
10,
how light. I don't poke the screens. You got the wrong guy.
Okay.
You know.
So she said something to you about the touch screens, she said something to you about touching the screens.
So she did.
But
She hung out, and it's all on camera, you know. She said something to me about hanging out or about touching the screens, and
Okay.
it's a new rule and this and that. And I said, well, that's fine. Like, I'm not over here poking them real hard.
Sure.
I'm not slapping my buttons. I'm not, being aggressive with the machines at all.
Yeah.
And she's like, it's just a rule. I'm not breathing down your neck, this and that. A couple minutes later, she's there again.
Mhm.
I'm just like, no, like here, you know what? I'm just gonna, whatever's left, I'll just fucking spend it and leave.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not trying. I don't need. There's other places I can go. I don't need to fucking waste my money at this one.
Mhm.
I'm just doing it just because I'm bored.
Yeah.
You know.
I got
Shit.
you. Did she ask the other fellow to leave? In there with David?
I'm not gonna talk about nobody else.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
But if you could ask them if I can leave, or get in my vehicle or something, this is bullshit. I shouldn't have to stand out here, and now we're going on 15 minutes and 47 seconds.
Okay. Well.
So now at this point, you guys are jeopardizing yourself.
Okay. Well, that's not how that works.
It is. It is absolutely how it works, sir. Research it.
That's not how that works.
Research it. You're at 16 minutes and 6 seconds.
Okay.
Research it. I'm not gonna lie to you.
What was your plan for the night after when you were heading out?
Go home.
Just going home?
Yeah. I didn't even really want to stop at this one. I lost like $150 over there real fast. Stopped at this one just because.
Seeing if you have better luck around next time around?
I guess.
I got you.
Sometimes though, like I did stick in a $5 bill because I don't really like this one, but I do here and there.
Yeah.
And so I've stuck in a $5 bill and won 16 grand. So here and there I'll come drop a fucking 20.
Sure.
Whatever, or 100.
Didn't have any better luck over here?
I didn't have bad luck.
The
worst part about it's having somebody breathe down your neck when you're losing money.
Yeah.
If you're winning money, nobody gives a shit. Everybody can look.
Yeah.
If you're losing money, it's just like, fuck, dude. Stop
like,
telling
leave
me
me-
what to
leave
do.
me
Stop
alone,
telling me
yeah.
how much to bet. Stop breathing down my neck.
Yeah.
And that's what she was doing, but I wasn't on her ass. I mean, she's just doing what she's told to by her boss. I understand that. You
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
But somebody else was upset about it, and she told them to leave. They left.
Yeah.
Can you ask them if I'm free to go? I'm not trying to sit here in the cold while they have a communication concert over there.
Well, they told me you're not free to go, so I assume they're just patching things up and they'll see, and then if that's it, then that's it.
Is there a corporal? That's a corporal
He's a sergeant.
and sergeant.
He's just wearing a jacket.
All right, Jesse. So, talking with my sergeant here, it sounds like there was a bit of an issue, pretty big, like yelling match going on, back and forth, some profanity used.
With me.
Yeah, after being told to leave too.
With me.
Yes, with you too.
And she looked at me and said, with me.
Well, we're not going to argue about it. I
No,
need you to
I'm
put
just-
your hands behind your back.
I'm just
You're
asking
gonna
you.
be-
I'm just asking you.
I'm going to start passing and breach of peace.
Criminal trespass?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I've never... How? I've never been trespassing here.
They asked you to leave and you didn't.
Sir, when this guy approached me.
Yeah,
I
they
was
asked you to leave
outside
a
when
lot
he. No, go talk to her, please.
No, I
Hang
didn't.
on, one second.
No, you didn't. You got the wrong fucking guy.
Okay, well, your brother's gonna have a warrant too unless he wants to turn himself in.
For what?
Same thing.
Okay. You're gonna be sorry you did that, sir. And they're gonna throw it out. And you're gonna and
That's your opinion, and you're
no,
entitled
it
to
ain't
it.
an opinion.
Well, no, it is.
And then, no, it ain't. It's factual basis. There's cameras here.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go right around here to this car. Okay, slide SUV.
You guys are fucking good. Remember what I told you? No, it was you. Remember what I told you about getting tickets? What you guys have to pay for them brand new cars? Remember that?
Circuit.
Can you? Thank you, sir.
So right here in the front, there's a camera right up there. You have anything on you? Some stab me, poke me, arm me, any kind of way?
Yes, I do. I have pocket knives and box knife in my pocket, left pocket on your side.
Okay, I appreciate you telling me that.
Sir, this is how you earn your money. This is how you earn your money. I don't believe.
Doing my job, yeah.
No, you ain't doing your job. No, you're not.
Okay, that's your opinion.
No, you're not. Can you tell him I'm going to jail? That's my brother. That's the one you're looking for. Yeah. You gotta push speakerphone because my phone fucking jacked up.
Hi, David.
They're taking me to jail, bro. Breach of peace. Breach of peace and criminal trespassing. It's all bull crap.
David, this is Sergeant Frankie.
You guys are you're
Would you be willing to turn yourself in as well?
no.
David, would you be willing to turn
Fucking
yourself
what
in
a
as well?
joke. Willing to turn yourself in.
You're up.
What? Go do your
You're
job,
talking to
dude.
Sergeant Frankie. I just told you my name. So I have probable cause to arrest you as well, or you'd be willing to turn yourself in. David, would you be willing to turn yourself in? Okay, would you be willing to turn yourself in? For breach of peace and criminal trespass. Okay, for breach of peace and criminal trespass, would you be willing to turn yourself in tonight?
Or whenever it is that they have court. I'm not sure what time.
Sir,
Marvin
is-
Downs, where you just left.
Cranky, sir?
They might have one there actually. The jail staff.
There should be
There might be.
There should be a what's
Okay,
called
I appreciate you coming back to the scene.
What's your last name again?
I told you, Sergeant.
Cranky.
Creep?
Sir, that's such a disgrace, dude. Like, that's such a disgrace. And I don't believe you talked to that lady.
That's fine. That's your opinion.
I wasn't causing no scene, and if she tells you I was, she's a barefaced fucking lie.
Okay.
All right. Let's go around here to this side.
What side?
This side.
Sam 4.
Fucking.
Careful getting in there.
That's not my first thing. Hey, at least you guys did that. You know that, fuck, what's his name? Officer Borid.
Oh.
You know what he told me? You know what he told me?
No.
And matters of fact, since I'm going to jail, I would like a complaint form. Last time Officer Board put me back here with no seatbelt, and he told me I said, and it was from about the college to Main Street. And I said, sir, is this typical practice for you? He said, what's that? I said, do you normally put your people back here with no seatbelt? He said, well, we get tired of getting headbutted.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll be sure to pass that along. He'll be on tomorrow too.
No,
Just
I
close
would
the
like
door.
I would like a complaint form, a paper form, please.
Okay, we'll get something going.
Go ahead and head out in case. What was the vehicle that you ran earlier?
I'm gonna grab
So-
that real quick.
That Murray ran?
Or yeah,
It was a gold GMC.
because that was here, right? Or where
You
was
said it was over at the Derby.
Or at the Derby, Gold
and
GMC.
Jesse told me they were over at the Derby and they walked over here, so I assume we skedaddled back there. So we
Just
got-
go ahead and head out.
I don't want them. When they get together, they can get handful.
Yeah, that's why do this one at a time actually works out for us.
You think he's gonna forget?
We'll see. I doubt it, because he said he's going to go pick up his attorney. So whoever that is. They kept telling us kissing or something. But the name they knew. Chase will take primary on this, so
Yep.
PD-74. Charlie 1 will take primary on this. 12-15 and myself will just stay here for a minute. You say anything worthwhile while you're outside with him? Besides his normal routine?
No. He basically, after I Mirandized him, he just told me, he's like, I'm not talking about anybody else. He's like, they talked to me about, like, I was touching the touchscreen and she got upset about it and she talked to me about it, but he said that they didn't ask him to leave or anything like that. And,
Okay.
yeah. He's very upset about.
Yeah, it sounds like just so you're on the same page. So, employees working next to Jesse and David.
Mm-hmm.
She said mainly David was the problem, so he's getting animated because he lost a bunch of money on one of the slots. She didn't see it, but she hears a banging noise and she turns around and sees one of the machines rocking, and it looked like he was kicking it. So she goes up and tells him, "You can't kick the machines." He blows her off and says that he makes more money than her, the same kind of Pam one stuff.
Yeah.
Then they go to another part of it, another part of the downs, and then they start. David has an altercation with one of the manager in there, after the employee told the manager what had happened with the slot machine, she's like, "Well, you need to leave." He gets irate, starts screaming and yelling and cussing at her. She keeps telling him over the course of 3 or 4 minutes, "You need to leave," at least 10 times. He won't leave. And they're like, "Well, we're going to call the cops." And he goes, "Fine, call the cops," essentially. And until she's on the phone with us, he won't leave, and then he leaves. And then, while they're trying to get him to leave, Jesse pops up and starts screaming and yelling and cussing at him. And then they say, "Well, you need to leave too. You don't need to leave forever, just for the night." And then he won't leave, and he's just standing by the door until we show up. So
Yeah, weird.
Yeah.
That works.
So.
Yeah. Yeah, he tried to walk past me and walk away. I thought it was.
Yeah, well, at first I thought there was a female, because that's what dispatch said, a female in red shoes or something like that.
As soon as I saw red shoes, I was like, okay, that's
Yeah,
not common. I was like, that's reasonable suspicion. And
Yeah.
he didn't
Well,
like
they said
that.
the person
I'm like,
is just leaving, and there's someone just leaving, so. Go ahead. Pass me through. This is Sergeant Krinke.
Do you want to be sued personally?
David, are you going to come and turn yourself in?
Do I need to turn myself in? Do you want to turn yourself in, sir?
I said I have probable cause to arrest you for criminal trespass and for breach of peace. So, David,
Sir,
I said I have probable cause to arrest you on breach of peace
I asked you a question.
and criminal trespassing. Well, I'm not answering your questions.
Are you going to turn yourself in for all
David, I just want to know if you're going to turn yourself in or not.
What the fuck am I turning myself in, sir?
I just explained that to you. For criminal trespass and breach of
You
peace.
need to get the cocaine out of your nose. I ain't turning my fucking
So,
self in for
David, could I have the...
high like
You said you're not turning yourself in? Perfect. Thank you. So, we'll just write a warrant for him.
it's easier.
Yep.
Do you need anything from me?
Nope, thank you.
Yep.